The Coolpad Note 8 is the company's latest budget offering. It has been launched in India, and since we already have the unit with us, we'll share our unboxing experience with you. The box itself has a nice uncluttered look up front. On the back are the basic specifications, which we'll take a look at in detail after the unboxing. As for now, let's go straight to what's in the box. You get the phone first. It's a simple yet elegant design on the back, and it has a clean look on the front. Back in the box, there's a plastic screen guard and you'll need to apply it yourself. There's also a soft transparent silicone case as well. Under that you get the quick start guide and warranty documents. Let's see what comes in the box on the side. There's a micro USB cable and the charger. Finally, there's a SIM eject tool too. So here's everything you get in the box with the Coolpad Note 8. Now let's take a look at its specifications. The dual SIM phone runs on Android 8 Oreo. It features a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by a quad-core MediaTek MTK 6750T processor, and the unit we have has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. There's a dual rear camera setup that comprises of a 16-megapixel primary sensor and a 0.3-megapixel secondary sensor, along with an f2.0 aperture. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture. All of this is fueled by a 4000 mAh battery. Now the Coolpad Note 8 is priced at 9,999 rupees and is available exclusively on Paytm. So this is a quick unboxing and first look at Coolpad's brand new Note 8 smartphone. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.